Hi, this is Vinay. Once again, I have come with very important concept. There, we will try to understand read-only keyword. Now, first we will try to understand what is a read-only keyword. Then after that, we will go for some example and completely and very clearly we will understand what is read only keyword and where we can use. So first we will take look on what is read only keyword. We can assign value in a read only field at its declaration time or in its same constructors. Also, we can assign value multiple times in its constructors. Read-only field cannot be assigned after constructor ends. Now, first we will understand this. We can assign value in a read-only field at its declaration time. So, here we can say that when we create any class, then we will declare the field or variables. So that time, if we can create any read only field or variable, that time we can assign the value. Now in its same constructors meaning we can create multiple constructor under the same class. There also we can initialize read only field or variable that I have written here. Also, we can assign value multiple times in its constructor. So there is a two area where we can initialize the read only field, which is first declaration time and second constructor under constructor. Now, read only field cannot be assigned after constructor ends, meaning if we try to assign value uh, out of a constructor scope or after ending the constructor, it will give errors. We cannot assign value or we cannot overwrite any value. Now let's take an example to understand the read only keyword very clearly. So there is a class, say test me. There I have declared one area field, type float and read only. So here this is declaration time, so we can assign value to read only field or variable. Another, we can assign or overwrite read only value under its constructor. So this is test me class constructor. Under that we can reassign the value. Now we can assign, we can using the constructor multiple time we can reassign the value. So we have another constructor public test me. Public test me. Under that, while creating the object, we can pass the value and assign it runtime. So we can assign read only value runtime under constructor. So let's call the method. Let's create the instance of test me. Test me obj test equal to new test me 7.9. So when we are creating this instance, so and passing this parameter, then this constructor will get called and 7.9 will come here and assign here, and that object will assign to obj test. So this is perfect. So under constructor scope we are assigning the value, so it will work. Now we cannot assign read only variable or field out of constructor scope. So this is read only variable, and after constructor ends we are assigning it, so it will give error. Here we cannot overwrite the value. But width is a normal variable, so out of constructor scope we can assign it. This is correct. So what we have understand is read only variable or field can be multiple time gets changed in runtime, but before constructor ends. After constructor ends, we cannot do it. Once constructor ends, then we cannot assign the value. Now, today we have understand the read only keyword. So again I can repeat, we can assign value in read only field at its declaration time, as I have explained in example, or in its same constructor. This also I have explained. Also we can assign value multiple times in its constructor. In last I have explained read only field cannot be assigned after constructor ends. Hope you will understand read only keyword in a C#.NET very clearly. So please like this video, share it to your friends, and please subscribe this video, and you will get my new video. Thank you.